Hello everyone, it's Dale here. Welcome to the new weekly trading ideas video. Today I'm going to talk about 3 trading ideas. The first one is going to be on the British pound, the next one on the Japanese yen, and the third one on the US dollar Swiss franc. So let's check them out, but before that, just a very quick note about a sale which I'm currently running. It's an Easter sale, and if you go to my website, which is traderdale.com, right here, then if you click this button, then it will take you straight to that Easter sale. During the sale, you can get my best educational and indicator packs, which are the volume profile, order flow, VWAP and smart money pack for a discounted price. You can even get those all together at the bottom of the page right here for a massively discounted price. All of them together for only $6.97. Alright, so that's the special Easter sale, and let's now take a look at the trading ideas. So, what you see before you, this is the NinjaTrader 8 platform and a 30-minute chart of the US dollar Swiss franc. Now, the level that trading idea that I wanted to talk about is this one. The price is very close to it, so I hope you guys will be able to catch this level before the price reaches it. The level is at 0.8110. And it is based on strong rejection, this rejection of higher prices. If you look into the volume distribution in that rejection, you can see this heavy volume activity. Very close to the place where the price actually turned from buying into selling, right? So this is showing us a place where sellers were active and rejected the higher prices, right? So what I think is that when the price reaches the beginning of that heavy volume zone, this level, there'll be another reaction, a reaction from those sellers defending this place, which is clearly important for them, and I think that they'll push the price downwards from there again. What I also like about this level is that there's a fair value gap, highlighted in red, this one and this one. When there are two like this, very close to each other, then I look at it as if this was one huge fair value gap. By the way, fair value gap, that's a concept from smart money trading, and I like to combine it with a volume profile like here, right? This is the beginning of the fair value gap as well as the beginning of that heavy volume cluster here. So yeah, now I have a limit order here at this level and waiting for this to get triggered. So yeah, that's for the US dollar Swiss franc, and let's check out the next trading idea. The next one will be on the British pound US dollar. So this is the British pound, 30-minute chart. We have a strong uptrend, and when there's an uptrend like this or trend, then I want to trade pullbacks to heavy volume zones. So if I do this, then you can see how the volumes are distributed in this area. I can as well use the volume profile like this, like this, or like this. It doesn't matter too much, it always points to the heavy volume zones no matter how you use the profile. So let me leave it like this, and as you can see, it points out to this heavy volume cluster, right? Those are significant volumes formed around this price level, and afterwards there was this strong buying activity. The trend continued, right? So what I want to do is, when the price makes it back to the beginning of this heavy volume cluster, then I want to take long, because I think that the buyers from here will want to defend this place and push the price upwards again, right? So this is a rotation where majority of the volumes were accumulated here. Then there was this strong buying activity, and then I want to trade pullback to the beginning of that rotation or to the beginning of that heavy volume zone and long from there. As you can see, we also have 2 fair value gaps, which also adds strength to the level, as well as weekly VWAP, that's the yellow line, beginning in here, and right now it is around our level, so it also adds strength. Alright, so that's the level. Currently I'm just waiting for that pullback, and if it occurs, then I'm going to go long from there. Alright? So that's about the British pound, and the next trading idea is on the US dollar Japanese yen. On the US dollar Japanese yen, this is very similar scenario. We have a trend. In this case this is a downtrend, but we have a trend, and within the trend we have significant volume zone, right? This one. In this case I don't have the level at the beginning of the heavy volume zone, which would be in here, but I have it at the beginning of the huge fair value gap right here. The fair value gap is highlighted in red. This is the fair value gap, a huge one, right? You can see how aggressive the sellers were after they accumulated their volumes. This is the aggressivity of the sellers. This is what the fair value gap is showing us, the aggressivity of the sellers. So when there's a pullback to that level, to that beginning of that fair value gap, and also to this heavy volume zone, then chances are that there'll be a reaction. The same logic as on the British pound, really, right? This heavy volume zone representing sellers, and those sellers should defend this place, right? Also, very similarly as on the British pound, we have a weekly VWAP here, which is great. It's also a thing that adds strength to the level, but you know, currently it is at the level, and at the time of the pullback it will probably be a little bit lower because the volumes are shifting, the price is below the level, so the VWAP is moving like this, right? So it's likely that at the time of the pullback the VWAP won't be around, but still this should be a pretty strong level to trade from. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!